Okay guys, this is a unboxing of the stuff I got from Z1. We did an unboxing, but my iPhone acts weird, so I had to re-put everything in the box, but it's okay. So these are the part of the intakes. I got new intakes, instead of short ram intakes, I got long ram intakes. So these we'll have to take off the bumper to put these on, and this is like some duct work, like very soft material, but I'm not going to put them on now. I'm going to put them on when I get tuned, because whenever you put on intakes it causes your car to be rich, and if you don't have a tune it's not really good for the MAV sensors, and it gets the whole car to act weird. But that's not because my other MAV sensor went out, because I had short ram intakes. I think it was mostly because those were old, because it was even acting weird when we changed back to stock intakes. And then I don't know if I can get it open with one hand. Here's one of the cold air intakes. It's blue, and then I got, instead of blue, I got silver for the top part of it. So this is like the bottom part where they meet in the middle, and then I got silver for the bottom, or no, I got silver for the top, what am I saying? And then here's where it hooks up to the vacuum line, and then right in here is all the clamps, and this is what it looks like. Then this is another intake, because the 370s is dual intake. I mean, 350s you can get to be a dual intake too. You can switch it over. You just have to change out your manifold. And then here's the where it mounts to the manifold. And then we got stickers to put on. They say Z1. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's right there. They're white. And then I got my new spacers. So these are really nice CNC quality Z1 Motorsports spacers. I've seen some other people put these on their car, and they really like them. And I got ARP wheel studs coming, so I'm not gonna have any issues with the wheels anymore. So this is 25 millimeter. Hopefully it makes I know my front probably is gonna poke out a little bit, and it's probably gonna make the rear flush, but it's gonna look cool, because my friend, he has 25s all around and on his Z, and it looks really cool, so I'm kind of copying him. But yeah, these are really nice. There's four, and there's another one, and then there's this one. I'm trying not to tear it up. And then there's this one, and then all the clamps are in here. So that's pretty much it. I didn't get my wheel studs in yet. They had to ship those out late, and I haven't got my exhaust. Hopefully I have I got a Auto Dynasty exhaust off of eBay. It's the cheap catback exhaust I see a couple people running, so I give it a try. It's got burnt tips too, so for how much it costs, it should be pretty good. And I didn't want to take the cats out, because I don't want that to throw a check engine light. So we're gonna do intakes, spacers, exhaust, and get it tuned, and I think I'm gonna be pretty much done with the car. I'm not gonna boost it or anything, because it's stock motor and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna do it. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.